Hi everyone, welcome back to the MLE Solutions page where we make tech simple. Today we're diving into how to speed up your computer by turning off those pesky startup apps that slow down your boot time. Let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, let's open up the Task Manager. You can do this by right-clicking on your taskbar and selecting Task Manager, or simply press Control-Shift-Escape on your keyboard. We'll go ahead and do it through the taskbar here at the bottom, and you'll see Task Manager. Once the Task Manager is open, go ahead and head over to the Startup tab at the top. This tab is going to show you all the programs that start automatically when your computer boots up. Now, go ahead and take a look through the list and identify any applications you don't need immediately when your computer starts. To disable an app, simply right click on it and choose Disable. Now, remember to be cautious about what you disable. Some of the apps are essential for your system or certain functionalities. If you're unsure about an app, a quick Google search can really help make sure that you're not closing out the wrong thing. After you've disabled the unnecessary apps, close the task manager. The changes will take effect the next time you restart your computer. And that's it. A simple yet effective way to boost your computer's startup speed. Remember, you can always re enable any app if you find you need it later. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and share it with your friends who might find it helpful. If you have any questions or video requests, drop them in the comments below and see you on the next one.